The time is now. Mnangagwa must hand over power to Chiwenga for the 2028 general elections. As we approach the 2028 general elections, it is imperative that President Emmerson Mnangagwa and VP Constantino Chiwenga take a bold step towards ensuring a smooth transition of power. Salabda mashuko arubuda nyoro panapa nema allies VP Constantino Chiwenga chita aiwa. At this point in time, Mnangagwa afan kuchihenda ma powers kandi masimba kuna general nubo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivina unamudu ni komchinzi. The time has come for Mnangagwa to hand over the reins to Chiwenga, allowing him to ample time to prepare for the upcoming election and lead Zimbabwe into a new era. Chiwenga, a seasoned military veteran and a key figure in the 2017 military-assisted coup that removed former President Robert Gabriel Mugabe's proven Chiwenga's dedication. His experience and leadership qualities make him an ideal candidate to take the helm and steer Zimbabwe towards a brighter future. By handing over power to Chiwenga now, Mnangagwa can demonstrate his commitment to the country's long-term stability and growth. A timely transition of power would allow Chiwenga to familiarize himself with the intricacies of the presidency and develop a comprehensive plan to address the pressing issues facing Zimbabwe. From economic challenges to social inequalities, Chiwenga would have the opportunity to engage with experts, stakeholders, and the general public to craft effective policies and strategies. This preparatory period would also enable him to build a strong team of advisors and cabinet members who share his vision for the nation's progress. It is important to acknowledge that Mnangagwa has played a significant role in Zimbabwe's recent history, and his contributions should not be overlooked. However, as a true statesman, he must recognize when it is time to pass the torch to a new generation of leaders. By voluntarily stepping aside and supporting Chiwenga's ascension to power, Mnangagwa can leave a lasting legacy as a leader who prioritized the nation's interests above his own. The call for Chiwenga and Mnangagwa to hand over to Chiwenga is not a mere political maneuver, but a necessary step towards ensuring Zimbabwe's long-term stability and prosperity. It is a call for unity, progress, and a renewed commitment to the well-being of the Zimbabwean people. Thomas Karubula nyokopana vana mchashirika wachita amtukamiri nyika this point in time. Aiwa, zvinozikana kuti VP ndo vanosimusucceda, ndo vanovachitora chimuti after iwo resign after 2 terms dzapera. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa musoro kuchitwa ichi. Na comment section medu, mafungiro enyu musana subscribe like, chot on the bell icon.